Hey there, George here from Westridge Auctions with a how-to tutorial on how to become a HiBid bidder. So here, and it doesn't matter whether you're using a Mac or a Windows PC, take the browser of your choice and in the address bar, type in HiBid.com and hit enter. That'll take you to HiBid's homepage. Now once here, come on up to the top left-hand corner where it says Login/New Bidder and click that. That'll bring you to this page. Do not enter anything in the email or password fields here. Instead, come on down to where it says register here and click that. So once here, you have the following registration page. All the fields here are going to need to be populated except for the company name. And unless you're a company and you want to register that way, that's fine. Otherwise, you'll have to enter everything else. So for expediency, we'll just go ahead and enter all this in ahead. Okay, so once you're in the user ID and password section, you want to pay special attention to the user name because it is unique. So if it's registered with them, you won't be able to use it. You'll have to change it. I'm going to do that both ways so I can show you what happens when you chosen a name that's already in use and then once you've managed to clear by and move forward. So in this case, let's take something that's probably popular like a Tinkerbell and 1, 2, 3. Make sure we have enough characters. If when I hit the tab button or click anywhere down here, this will either tell me it's used or it'll clear it. So, and there we are. Username is not available. That means someone's taken it. At that point, you make a decision. Either you can build it out from here, which means add more characters, more numbers, whatever you desire, or you change it altogether. I'm going to just throw number 4, see if it'll accept that. Hey, look at that, it did. Okay, so now we can move on to the password and email. Here's going to be similar to anywhere else you would do this, and that is that you have to type it in and then confirm it. So we'll just do this real quick. If they didn't match, I would have an error. Then I don't have an error, so we're good to go. Same idea here. And folks, none of this information belongs to anybody that I'm aware of. I'm just making all this stuff up as we go along just to kind of help us out with the tutorial. When you've done that, you have no red boxes, there's no errors, and you can clearly see up and down your page here, your registration page. There's nothing red, you're good to go. You can accept all these or customize whatever you want to do. I generally just take this out, but you do what you want to do, and then you click create new account. When you do that, you will actually have yourself an account with HiBid, and it's that simple. Well, I hope that helps. This is George from Westridge Auctions. Happy bidding.